What travel destinations have you added to your bucket list? I have always said this, that New York is my dream destination. I really want to go to New York, and I want to stay in New York for some time, some days, like not just to visit and come back. I want to live that life in New York. Hi guys, so today is the day when it's finally happening. I'm gonna meet you.
It's too much improvising, especially for
माझ्या आजूबाजूला कोणी नसू दे प्लीज.
लास्ट बॉल 6 चाहिए.
We have won the World Cup.
ते ट्रॅक करून ठेवून दे ना. Just let go that experience.
My phone is all alone. I don't know who has it. शाम के बजे है 7:30 और कोयल क्यों चिल्ला रही है मुझे अब तक नहीं मालूम, बट क्लियरली विद द हॉकिंग यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट आई एम इन माई ओल्ड हाउस, माई हाउस रादर, एंड इट्स 7:30 करंटली एंड वी विल बी लीविंग एट 8:30. आज इंडिया का फाइनल मैच है, हम जाते जाते देखने वाले हैं गाड़ी में. एवरीबडी इज़ कमिंग, इट्स अ फुल हाउस एक्सेप्ट शेवी एंड टाई, बिकॉज शेवी के कोई दोस्त आए हैं घर पे, so उसने हल्दा एंड शेवी आर गोना स्टे बैक, बट ईवी इज़ ऑल्सो कमिंग because I'm gonna miss her. This is the longest that I am gonna leave her. So yeah, my lipstick is not this dark, but this camera is showing as if मैंने red lipstick लगाई है, but it's just a tint. माझ्या आजूबाजूला कोणी नसू दे प्लीज. Don't knock my camera off. Come here. I'm gonna miss you, Mamash. I'm gonna miss you. Ai Baba ahed, okay? Shai will also come to see you. Shevi will also come to sleep with you. Okay, Mamash?
Obvious, India.
What is your prediction?
India will win.
Of course.
Yes.
पक्का.
Yeah, 100%.
आई आज कौन जिंकणार? इंडिया.
बोला था यार.
अरे यार, विकेट गया.
यू कौन कहा जा रहा है तेरा माहिती है ना that is a
You can
Yash
see it in
ना?
her eyes.
Yeah.
She knows.
देख गन्नू she'll come back soon.
20 minutes later.
My flight is 2:45 सुबह एंड गेस हम लोग कितने बजे यहाँ पे आए हैं? 9 बजे. 9 o'clock we are here. कितनी 10, 11, 12, 1, 2.
So we wanted
5
to see
hours
the match
early.
in patience. We wanted to see
Yeah.
the match in patience.
और अभी we have put the match and we are watching the match airport के बाहर.
Wide ball.
वाइडच है, बचा के रखा था विराट कोहली ने.
अभी तू देख खाली उसका 9 बॉल, अभी 8 बॉल बचा है ना. अभी तो 8 बॉल में 30 रन हो जाएगा.
अभी ऐसा पेट में गुड़गुड़ वाला फीलिंग ही स्टार्टेड. चलो लास्ट बॉल 6 चाहिए तो 180 पार हो जाएगा. नहीं 176 कुछ है.
4 गया तो 180.
4 भी चलेगा, 180 कर दो बस. आउट. ठीक है, चल.
चल ठीक है.
177. Let's go to the airport. चलो निघू मी. निघता हूँ. बाय. बाय अम्मा.
टेन्शन
येस. टेन्शन घेऊ नको. नाही तू नको रडू.
नाही काय सर
Ready for long distance?
नाही एकदम
नो फाइट्स नो आर्ग्यूमेंट
Yes.
नो
एकदम आपला अपने मस्ती में जाना है.
चल.
बस बस.
Guys, we have won the World Cup. मेरा सब कुछ सिक्योरिटी चेक और वो सब हो चुका है. I'm just waiting near my gate. I want to do susu, but I have to carry my bags. But yeah, I have to do susu. Right now it's 12 o'clock and my flight is at 1:45. But the boarding will begin in half an hour, I guess. I'm thinking to go and sit in the aircraft first. So yeah. Okay, now reporting real time. I am at my sister's house in New Jersey. You're gonna see the rest of the vlog, but you will get confused about what is happening because there is a lot of footage missing. So I thought I will do like a little story time. It's important, don't skip it, otherwise you won't understand what is happening in the next part of the vlog. So if you follow me on my Instagram, you would know what happened with me. My phone was stolen / lost on the aircraft, Air India. So I will give you a gist of what exactly happened. So right before landing, 1 hour before landing, मुझे लगा कि अभी 1 घंटा ही बचा है, I should go and freshen up. इसके बाद I won't get time. So I wanted to go to the washroom and you must have seen कि मेरी सीट जो थी वो वॉशरूम के exactly सामने थी. मुझे लेग रूम चाहिए था, इसलिए I had paid for that XL seat to go to the washroom. And while I was waiting in the queue, and at this point, trust me, I have not slept for like 15 hours, okay? So I have no idea where I have kept my phone. Either it was in my bag or it was in my seat, but wrapped up in my shawl. I had a shawl with me. So I was waiting in the line and there was this one girl who was extremely drunk, comes to me and she started doing small talk about her love life and are you gonna get married, and she's dating this Akshay Khanna somebody, so she was talking about. And I was like, okay, good for you types, because I was like, मुझे जल्दी से जल्दी वॉशरूम में जाना है and I don't want to talk to this girl. And she kept asking for a shot of vodka and I'm like, मैं कहाँ से लाके दूँ भाई? So I was like, I'll just call the air hostess because I really wanted to get out of that situation. I was flying alone. I didn't want to interact with anybody, especially someone who's drunk. So for a brief moment of like 5-6 seconds, I left my seat and my post, washroom wali, and I went to the air hostess to tell him that I need help. There's somebody who's drunk and sitting on my seat. You need to help me out. So immediately he came to me to help me out, and then he escorted her back to her seat. And उसके वो टाइम पे I was like, okay, this one is gone, washroom's empty, I'll go and pee. एंड जब मैंने वो पोस्ट छोड़ी थी, मेरे बाजू वाला जो इंसान था वो भी वॉशरूम चले गया बिकॉज ऑफकोर्स मतलब पोस्ट खाली थी वहाँ पे, तो ही वेंट. सो इवन ही डिडंट सी व्हाट हैपेंड, सो शी वाज अलोन. दैट हैपेंड. उसके बाद व्हेन आई केम बैक फ्रॉम द वॉशरूम, आई एम लाइक चलो मेरा के ड्रामा बचा है, मैं देख लेती हूँ. एंड आई वाज सर्चिंग फॉर माई फोन. आई डिडंट पैनिक. आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, अगर सीट पे नहीं है तो बैग में होगा, बिकॉज आई वाज सो ग्रॉगी. मैं आई वाज शफलिंग. एक बार मैं बैग में रख रही थी, कभी मैं शॉल में रख रही थी छुपा के फ़ोन. सो I honestly don't know if she opened my bag and took the phone, or it was on the seat and she took the phone. I don't even know if she took the phone, but the only guess was that she took it because मैंने एयर होस्टेस को बुला के सब बताया, मेरे बाजू वाले ने हेल्प किया, हमने सबकी सीट उखाड़ के देखा. The phone was not there. Then we went to that girl and asked her if we can check her bag. She started yelling, cussing the airline. It was a movie scene. I'm not even joking. I'm like, how do I get myself into these situations? I don't know. चलो वो सब हो गया. मैं रो रही हूँ. मैंने बोला मैं कैसे मेरी बहन को कांटेक्ट करूँगी. सो बाजू वाले लोग बहुत अच्छे थे. They were like, do you want to contact your sister? We'll help you. And then they gave me their phone and I could contact immediately after I landed. So land होने के बाद nobody got deplaned because I told them that you need to check that girl's bags. But they couldn't touch her because, of course, she is also a guest, so you cannot touch anybody. So the security got involved. I can't tell you what I went through that time. I was alone in the air, alone in a new country, and like there are like 2 armed officers, like proper जो movie में दिखाते हैं, American officers come in the aircraft, and it was a whole legal situation at this point. They took her outside, they frisked her, and like बहुत सारा scene था. And then he started asking me, cross questioning me. मैं मतलब it was a very traumatic experience for me, and you guys know that I am somebody who's highly anxiety prone. I have overcome that phase of my life, but if something like this happens, everything like starts triggering. एंड मेरे मेरे माई लेग्स वर ट्रेम्बलिंग. उसके बाद डीप्लेन नहीं कर रहे थे, बट बाकी के पैसेंजर स्टार्टेड गेटिंग एजिटेटेड बिकॉज आई अंडरस्टैंड उनकी कनेक्टिंग फ्लाइट होगी या वट एवर, मतलब वाई शुड दे वेट फॉर समबडी लाइक मी. सो आई रिक्वेस्टेड द एयर होस्टेस कि प्लीज़ बाकी लोगों को आप डीप्लेन कर दो. वो लड़की के पास नहीं है, मेरे सीट के आजू बाजू नहीं है, सो ओनली थिंग वी कैन डू इज़ डीप्लेन एवरीबडी एंड यू डू द थरो चेक ऑफ द एयरक्राफ्ट. They were like, okay, so I gave my details to them कि if you find it, please tell me, I will wait at the airport. मैं मेरी बहन को मिली, बहुत रोई. उसके बाद वी वेंट टू द एयर इंडिया स्टाफ ऑन द लेवल 3. वी टोल्ड देम कि मेरे मैकबुक में मैं चार्ज किया मैकबुक एंड मुझे दिख रहा है वहाँ पे लोकेशन. मुझे इतना तो मालूम है कि वो डेफिनेटली सीट से गिरा नहीं है, और अगर गिरता तो आजू बाजू के सीट में मिल जाता. इतना कुछ प्लेन ऊपर नीचे नहीं होता है कि स्लिप एंड स्लाइड हो, फ़ोन कार्पेटेड होते हैं सारे. तो दैट इज़ फॉर श्योर कि सीट के आजू बाजू ही होगा. नहीं है मतलब वो किसी ने लिया है एंड समबडी हैज़ हिडन इट बिकॉज आई गॉट द सिक्योरिटी इन्वॉल्व, बिकॉज नोबडी sane in their minds would keep it in the bag. So yeah, that's what has happened. I have lost my phone. The Air India staff was almost useless. They didn't help me. And जो हमने उनको बोला कि मुझे दिख रहा है ये लोकेशन, अभी मैं क्या करूँ, दे आर लाइक नो मैम, वी कॉल्ड देम, योर फोन इज़ नॉट देयर इन द एयरक्राफ्ट. इतना बड़ा एयरक्राफ्ट थरो स्वीप करने के लिए, उसका कारपेट निकालने के लिए, हाउ कैन यू गिव मी द आंसर इन विद इन लाइक एन आवर कि नहीं है फ़ोन. इतना बड़ा एयरक्राफ्ट ढूंढने में टाइम तो लगेगा ना. But they said it's not there, and I had to leave the airport. And while I left the airport, the next clip you will see is there was a police car waiting outside because airport पे होती है security. So Raghuraj, my Jiju, went up to that guy and asked him, can you please help us? I can see the location on the laptop and we want to just track it. How can we reach? He was so sweet. He's like, you follow the car. And we followed the car. We went and you're going to see what happened there. But yeah, never thought that my first Gora interaction will be with a police officer. But yeah, things happen. I'm safe and that's what matters. So yeah, let's continue with the vlog. कैसा लग रहा है मानसी?
बाबू तू फोनचा जरा हे कर ना प्लीज.
काय?
ते लोकेशन त्याची जी काय आहे लॅटिट्यूड लॉन्जिट्यूड ते ट्रॅक करून ठेवून दे ना प्लीज. मला तो सांगत होता म्हणून मी त्याला सांगितलं की नको, माझ्याबरोबर आहे सोबत आणि त्याच्या हिशोबाने चालतो म्हणून.
See, that is subjective. There's nothing subjective in this. This is the truth and fact.
Optimistic.
No, it's not about optimism. I think just
Optimism.
no.
बड़ी
Just let go that experience. Just let go that experience. Whatever is happening is for a reason. So
You're bound to get a new phone.
exactly.
I didn't want a new phone. I wanted to buy 16, bro.
आपण आजच्या आजच जाऊया.
Look at my बाप रे. I have to do some contour.
There's a very nice police, very nice guy helping us.
Absolutely.
He's going and knocking on some doors and checking if my phone is here, but
सांग त्याला ती YouTuber आहेस.
दाखव फोन. फटका. For the first time, I am not happy buying an iPhone.
She's very happy.
As we were heading back home from Delaware, there were a lot of emotions gushing in. I was upset with how the trip began. I was blaming myself for no reason. But I was also grateful that I was able to immediately buy another phone. Sometimes you don't know why certain things happen to you. I know there is always a reason behind it, but you never know the reason, and I guess it is what it is. Coming to the US has always been my dream, and looking at these beautiful landscapes, it made me realize how far I've come. Smiling through the pain is an art, and one needs to master it to live this life.
One nap later.
Hi guys, it is 2 right now. 2 a.m. I have to wake up at 6 a.m. 5:30 to leave for Kiran's place because यहाँ से 1.5 घंटा दूर है किरण का घर. And she's flying tomorrow to California for her work. So this is the only time I'm gonna get to be with her. And I didn't want whatever my problems and my shitty kismat is to come in between her and I. So I'm going regardless. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, ये फ़ोन नया है बट इसमें ना iCloud है बिकॉज आई हैव फॉरगॉटन माई iCloud पासवर्ड, ना मेरा सिम है OTPs के लिए, इट्स जस्ट अ मेस। तो यहाँ पे 2 बजे तो वहाँ पे सुबह हुई है इंडिया में, तो बाबा हैज़ गॉन टू द वोडाफोन गैलरी एंड हमने सब अभी रिक्वेस्ट वगैरह उनको भेजा है। आई हैव लिटरली गिवन, सो बेसिकली दे नीडेड माई सेल्फी यहाँ का एंड वहाँ का लोकेशन कि मैं एक्चुअल में न्यू जर्सी में हूँ एंड माई बोर्डिंग पास एंड एवरीथिंग टू क्रॉस चेक। I just feel so sad is because I can see the phone still in the airport. My phone is all alone. I don't know who has it. And I was giving all the footage from this camera to my editor. तो मैंने उसको सब मेल किया हुआ है, वॉइस नोट भेजा मैंने उसको कि आई कैन नॉट गेट इन टच विथ यू ऑन व्हाट्सएप, सो आई एम गिविंग यू ऑल द फुटेज बिकॉज कंटेंट रुकना नहीं चाहिए। ऑल राइट यू गाइस, दैट इज़ इट फॉर टुडेज़ वीडियो। आई होप यू लाइक्ड इट। ये टाइम डिफरेंस मैनेज करना इज़ गोना बी वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट बट आई एम नॉट गोना स्टॉप पोस्टिंग रेगुलरली। सो थोड़ा समझ लेना, अगर दिन का कभी 7 बजे वीडियो आएगा IST शाम को, या फिर 8 बजे आएगा, बट आएगा। I'm planning to post vlogs every 2 or 3 days. Next vlog is gonna be amazing because you're gonna see Kiru in the next vlog. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye. Kiran's mom has made pohe. Believe हो रहा है कि मैं इधर न्यू जर्सी में बैठा हूँ। No.
डोनट का डोसा हो गया है।
डोनट का डोसा।
Kiru's back. Kiru's back.
Chop on the nigga, turn him to a sprinter. Bitches on my dick.